If you're choosing between POLARSTEPS and STIPPL for travel planning in 2025, each app offers distinct strengths depending on whether you prioritize documenting your journey or comprehensive trip organization. POLARSTEPS excels as a travel journal, automatically tracking your route via GPS and creating a colorful map you can share with friends. Its free app, available on iOS, Android, and web, lets you add photos, videos, and notes offline, syncing later for a seamless digital scrapbook. The unique printed travel book option, 36/5 makes it a great keepsake, but it lacks robust planning tools like storing flight or accommodation details and doesn't suggest activities. STIPPL, a newer all-in-one planner, focuses on organizing every trip aspect: route, bookings, and packing. Its drag-and-drop interface, AI-generated itineraries, and email forwarding for reservations streamline planning, with a free tier and premium plans, $4.25 offering features like eSIMs and 3D trip videos. However, it doesn't auto-track routes or store photos like POLARSTEPS. Choose POLARSTEPS for easy, free tracking and memories. Pick STIPPL for detailed planning and collaboration. What's your travel goal, documenting or organizing?